and Assalamualaikum. My name is Maisara Zulfa binti Muhammad Azhairi. So today I would like to present about assignment 1, which is site supervision. So what is site supervision? Site supervision means overseeing construction work to make sure everything is done correctly, safely and on time. It is usually handled by a site engineer, construction manager or site supervisor. So what is their key responsibilities? First, which is monitor progress. Check that daily work is going according to plan. Second, quality control. Make sure materials and work meet required standards. Third, coordination. Work with suppliers and subcontractors to keep things moving smoothly. Fourth, problem solving. Handle any issues that come up on site. So, what is their safety and compliance? Enforce safety rules and identify potential hazards. Make sure workers follow health and safety procedures. Ensure the project follows legal and environmental regulation. What is their goal? To complete the project safely, efficiently, within budget, and to a high standard without delays.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahudin bin Slamat. For the background of this case study, the site that will be visited is actually a mega housing development project named Botanic Villa. It is located at Pearl City Township in Simpang 4, Pulau Pinang. It is also a strategic urban development plan by Tampin Indah Group. Botanic Villa is one of the highlights project in this township and aims to offer a new living experience that suit various lifestyles and family types. The development consists of 3 types of residences, which is terrace houses, semi-detached houses, and townhouses. The focus of this study is the townhouse construction package, which is under contract to Shangli Builders and Berhad, that well-established construction company with the reputation for completion quality residential, commercial and institutional development. And also, Shangli Builder has finished over 80 projects. Under package in this township, Shangli Builder has been entrusted with the construction and completion of the Botanic Villa development, which consists of 140 units of 3-story townhouses, 1 community hall equipped with a swimming pool and management office, 2 TMB substation and 1 compact TMB substation, and 1 refuse chamber. During our visit, we've been assisted by the site manager, Mr. Wa'asun, and the site supervisor, Encik Haikal, to take us walk around the construction site, and they are also explain us about their daily routine and their work, especially in supervising and managing the construction. A lot of information and detail that we've been taking note for our case study.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Raja Imran. So now I will talk about quality of materials. They have 4 quality of materials, such as the first one is concrete testing, then the sum test, the third one is sampling of cube test, and the last one is cube testing. Okay, the first one is concrete testing process. The concrete test is a method used to check the quality, strength and durability of concrete to ensure it meets construction standards. So they have a few methods of concrete testing. The first one is mixing, placing the compacting, demolding and curing, surface preparation, and the last one is testing for strength. Okay, the second of the quality materials is slump test. The slump test is a quick and simple method used to measure the workability and consistency of fresh concrete. Okay, they have a few procedure of slump test. The first one is motion layer tools. Set up the cone, fill in 3 layers, 10 each layers, and I don't see what they write. So now is the second one of the quality materials. it is slump test. The slump test is a quick and simple method used to measure the workability and consistency of fresh concrete. They have a few procedures of slump test. The first one is motion the tools, set up the cone, fill in 3 layers, temp each layer, level the top, lift the cone, and the last one is measure the slump. Purpose of the slump test is to evaluate concrete workability, ensure batch consistency, detect issues in water content or mixed proportions. Okay. The third one of quality materials is sampling of cube for test. The first method of sampling of cube for the test is preparation of mold, filling the mold with concrete, compacting the concrete, leveling the surface, curing the cubes, and the last one is testing. The purpose of sampling the cube for test is to prepare concrete cubes that can be tested to determine the compressive strength of concrete. Okay, the last one The last one for quality materials is cube test. The method that used for cube test is firstly remove the specimen, then measuring, cleaning the machine, place the specimen, testing, calculate the strength, and the last one is check the result. They have a few criteria accepted, such as compare result with the target strength mentioned in design, such as M20, M25, and M30. If an average of 3 cubes meets or exceeds the required strength and no individual cubes, is a few criteria accepted, such as compare result with the target strength mentioned in design. Usually, we use the grade of concrete M20, M25, and M30. If an average of 3 cubes meets or exceeds the required strength and no individual cube is below the specified minimum, the mix is considered acceptable. Okay, thank you from me, Raji Imran, and I will pass the presentation to the next partner. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Fikri bin Azni and I will talk about quality of workmanship. So what is quality of workmanship? Quality of workmanship is how the work done and the quality of the work at site. Good workmanship is important in construction site because it will make sure the building is strong, safe, and meet the client expectation. In this report, we focus on important part like concrete work, bricklaying, plastering, tiling, and final finishes. During site inspection and interview, we found several factors that affect quality of workmanship. These include the worker skill, clear instruction from site supervision, good quality materials, and following proper work procedures. First one is the way to make sure that the quality of workmanship maintained is good supervision. Good supervision is very important to help or catch early mistake, and then we can fix them quickly. Supervisor also can help guide workers to keep the workmanship quality consistently. Next is hiring skilled worker and giving proper training make a big difference in construction site. Workers who understand and know how to do the job correctly will give the safety environment and produce better work in the site. In conclusion, good workmanship depends on proper supervision. The site supervisor is the key to make sure the quality of the workmanship maintained in the site. The better supervision give the better quality of workmanship. So that's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi and Assalamualaikum again. My name is Maisara Zulfa binti Muhammad Zahiri. So last but not least, I would like to conclude. Site supervision plays a key role in ensuring construction projects are completed safely, on time, within budget and to a high quality. By managing daily activities, enforcing safety rules, coordinating with teams, and solving problems on site, supervisors help keep everything on track. Their work ensures compliance with plans, regulations, and standards, making them essential for successful project delivery. So that's all from us, and thank you.